They'll go for 4. Top edge. Can that extra bounce. That's one of his favourite shots into the crowd.
And the crowd may have got hit from this 6 from Rohit Sharma.
That's gone fine. And into the boundary. That's firmly struck. No need to run for that. And again, this one even better. That's pulled away. And the 3rd boundary of the over. This time Rohit Sharma. He's so good. Play that all day. That will be one more of what Ajit Nagarkar just talked about. The extraordinary ability to clear the boundary. There he goes again. There is absolutely no... You're wasting your time bowling short at Rohit Sharma. He was born to play this shot. 58 for no loss.
Yeah, pulls it well. It's gone behind square.
Just let's see if he gets some extra pace. At the moment, it's extra pace on the bat. The timing on that is superb, and the placement, wow. Bad. No, he's at outside off. That's the only thing that can save him. He's looking for the big hoik over mid-wicket.
It's pitching outside off, impacting line and wickets is umpire's call. Because
the message was a little high, and you discover it's just high enough for Rohit Sharma to survive.
Yet another. The same area. It's not the pull shot, he's pulled off a couple of hook shots in this innings.
That's 50 for Rohit as well. 49 deliveries on a pitch where everyone else has made it look almost impossible to bat. This is nearly always the end result, flying into the stand for 6. This one's going to go for 4, I think. Gives himself some room, anticipates a change of pace, smashes it for 4. Oh, this time he's gone again. That same shot, picking it up into the stand. This one's gone even further.
And maybe some amount of premeditation. He's not expecting the ball to be in a certain length.
Oh, this one's beaten the infield. Yeah, he's got an incredible eye. And that brings up the 100, by the way, for India. 100 partnership between these two. Rohit's made 66 of them, Dhawan 27. Yet another century partnership between these two. And there's another one. That's going to go all the way.
She comes on with the cut shot. It's going to get the winning runs for India. Remains not out on 31. But the hero with the bat for India is the captain, not out 76. And India continue